In this video, I'm going to show you how to drag upload images right into Google Drive. So you want to open up your Google Drive in your browser, guys. You can open up whichever browser, log into your Google account, go to google.com and simply click the option upper right hand side. Then click on Drive. And so it will take you over to your Google Drive. I'm going to click on my drive on the upper left. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just open up this test folder right here. So this is my test folder. And if I ever want to drag upload any file, let me go ahead and just make my browser a bit small so that you can see. And I'm going to quickly drag a file from my desktop and put it right to the left side right here. As you can see right here, there's a file. And so if I want to drag upload, I just simply click on the image, PDF file, or whatever file, video, and just drag it right into my browser in that Google Drive folder and let go. And you will see that it quickly uploads my file into my Google Drive. And let me maximize it and show you. And let me show you in the process of doing so, it will go ahead and says uploading right here. And if you're uploading multiple files, you will see that it lists all those files and go through them and upload those files. Once it is done, you will see it look like this with a green check mark, and so that it's done uploading. And that's it, guys. That's how to drag upload files into Google Drive.